Today we are here in the DISTRIBUTECH in Dallas, Texas. For us, it's an opportunity to have people, partners, industry, utilities know about us, that they meet us and they know that Gridspertise is here.
Gridspertise is this new company that was born out of NL. It merges two words which are grids and expertise. So we come from the expertise of a big company like NL, which is one of the biggest operators of distribution grids in the world. So we leverage on this expertise to accelerate the transformation of grids. And we use this expertise to support other companies to accelerate that transformation.
The grid has not evolved in 100 years. Now, Gridspertise has the opportunity to make this grid more intelligent, more efficient, and more reliable.
It's really critical because we want to accelerate towards the energy transition, towards a cleaner energy system. And that means you need to put digital technologies in the grid. To really cope with this enormous challenge, they need to be revamped.
We can really be the missing point, the missing link that we had with the customer, what the market is asking for, what they are looking for specifically. We are really applying the cutting-edge technologies to the field.
Gridspertise has got a great advantage.
We have the DNA on one side of a grid operator, and we also have the DNA of a tech company. And bring those two things and know-how together is really, let's say, what makes us different as Gridspertise. Gridspertise is, I think, really key player in this transition, really helping the grid operators in this transformation, really helping bring this knowledge through, the technologies through, and doing this at a global level. I'm really personally very excited about the change that we can make.